Hey, come on, sing the rhyme with your teacher. Here we go. Sing with me. Once I caught a fish alive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Why did you let it go? Because it bit my finger so. Which finger did it bite? The little finger on my right. बच्चों, क्या आपको पता है हमने ये राइम क्यों गाई है? क्योंकि आज के हम मैथ्स के क्लास में नंबर सीखेंगे और उसके काउंटिंग मेथड सीखेंगे। आपको मैं एक काउंटिंग मेथड बताऊंगी जो आपको बहुत इजी फील करेगा कैलकुलेशन के वक्त। आप जब भी कैलकुलेशन करोगे इसी तरह से करना, सो वो आपको इजी जाएगा कैलकुलेशन करने में। इट विल हेल्प यू फॉर द इजी वे टू कैलकुलेट द numbers and counting. So let's learn what is that method. Let's count the number of sketch pens. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. So there are total number of 18 sketch pens. Now students, let's assume that this sketch pens we will divide into groups. Later on I will tell you why we are dividing this sketch pens in groups, that is in the group of 10 number. Okay, so let's put this total number of 10 sketch pen into this glass. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So here now in this glass there are total number of 10 sketch pens. Okay, and let's keep this all sketch pens for some time. We will keep it aside, मतलब हम इसको थोड़ी देर के लिए बाजू में रखेंगे. ओके, और इस ग्लास में अभी हमारे पास कितने स्केच पेन्स है? 10 sketch pens है. Okay, now students, let's count this total number of blocks. Okay, so let's count. You can count with teacher also. Okay, start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So there are 26 numbers of blocks. Now let's group them into 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So this many blocks are grouped for 10 and these are the remaining blocks. So we will count these blocks later on. I will tell you what is the use of doing groups into 10. Okay, so I will tell you at the end of the video. Okay, now let's count this all animals. So let's count the total number of animals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So there are total number of 13 animals. Now we have to group these animals also into 10 number. So let's remove 10 animals out of these animals. Okay, so I will remove 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So these are 10 numbers of animals which I have removed from this group of animals. Okay, I will tell you why I have made the group of animals. Okay, students? Students, now let us count this total number of vehicles. You can also count with your teacher. Okay, let's do the counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So there are 12 number of vehicles. Now let's remove 10 vehicles out of these vehicles. Okay, so we will remove 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So these two are extra. So let's remove. And now I will create one group of this 10 vehicles. Okay? Students, can you see all these groups? The group of sketch pen, group of blocks, group of vehicle and the group of animals. So these all are the groups which we made in the number 10. And this sketch pens, blocks, vehicles and animals, they were the left which were individually remaining out of the group. Okay, so students, why we have created these groups of 10 objects, do you know? Can anybody guess? Yes, so let me tell you that we have grouped this all the objects in 10 number because this will help you to make it easy for the calculation of the numbers. When you will calculate the numbers, at that time it will be very easy for you to calculate. मतलब अगर आप लोग कुछ ऑब्जेक्ट्स को 10 में डिवाइड करोगे, मतलब 10 ऑब्जेक्ट्स का एक ब्लॉक बनाओगे, एक सेट बनाओगे, तो वो आपको इजी जाएगा काउंटिंग करने में. और वो कैसे इजी जाएगा? I will show you. Okay, I will tell you. Let's take first the group or the set of vehicles. So we know that we have counted all this set as a 10 number, and these two vehicles were remaining. That is, ये individual vehicles दो हमारे पास अलग से बचे थे, और ये सेट में हमारे पास कितने vehicles थे? 10 vehicles थे. So अगर 10 में आप 2 मिलाओगे तो कितने हो जाएंगे? मतलब 10 में आगे आपको और 2 काउंट करना है, तो कितने व्हीकल हो जाएंगे? 11 and 12. That is, this is 10 and 11 and 12. So ये हमें एडिशन के लिए हेल्प होता है. So अब हमारे पास टोटल व्हीकल्स कितने हैं? This were the 10 vehicles और ये कितने हैं? 2 vehicles. Okay. Similarly, when you will you will see this group of animals. These were the 10 animals. Okay, and remaining animals were this. Okay, so 3 animals. 10 plus 3, how many? That is 10. After 10, what is the counting? 11, 12, 13. So these all are 13 animals. Okay. And this total set of cars are how many? 12 cars. Okay. Now let's see these blocks. Okay. So these are the 10 blocks and remaining these are the blocks. For easy way, let's remove this 2 set of blocks from our counting. Okay. So it will help you for easy way, okay, to count. So this is the 10 group of blocks. Now let's count after 10. What is the number? 11. So 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 blocks. Okay. Now after this, let's see the set of this sketch pens. But to make it easy, let's remove all the sketch pens and let's keep only one sketch pen. So that will make it easy. So we know that in this glass there were 10 sketch pens, and in addition to that, if this sketch pen is added और इसमें अगर वो हम काउंट करेंगे तो 10 के आगे जब एक और काउंट करेंगे तो क्या आता है? 11. So 10 plus 1 is 11. Now students, see, we know that these all are remaining are individual object, okay, and these all are the set of 10 objects. Each is the set of 10. Okay. So 10 plus 10, that is 20. 20 plus 10, 30. 30 plus 10, 40. So ये सेट कितने हुए हमारे पास? 40 सेट. तो देखा आपने कि एडिशन करने में हमें इजी हो गया. अगर हम इन सेट्स को 10 में डिवाइड करोगे, 10 ऑब्जेक्ट्स, ईच ऑब्जेक्ट आप 10 में काउंट करोगे, सो आपके पास ऐसे कितने सेट्स के ऑब्जेक्ट बनेंगे? जैसे अभी टीचर ने किया है, स्केच पेन का एक सेट बनाया, उसमें कितने थे स्केच पेन्स? 10 स्केच पेन्स थे. ब्लॉक भी बनाया, 10 का एक ब्लॉक बनाया, लेकिन उसमें कितने टोटल नंबर ऑफ ब्लॉक्स थे? 10 ब्लॉक्स थे. उसी तरह से टीचर ने क्या किया? कार्स का पूरा एक सेट बनाया जिसमें टोटल नंबर ऑफ कार कितने हैं? 10 है. और यहाँ पे टीचर ने टोटल नंबर ऑफ एनिमल्स 10 निकाले और उनको बना दिया एक सेट. तो ऐसा एक सेट स्केच पेन का, एक सेट ब्लॉक का, और एक सेट कार का, और एक सेट एनिमल्स का. ये सारे सेट मिलाकर कितने सेट हुए हमारे पास? 4. सो टोटल नंबर ऑफ काउंट कितने हो गए हमारे पास? 40. अब जब आप 40 काउंट कर चुके हैं, उसमें अभी हम इंडिविजुअल काउंट करोगे तो आपको बहुत इजी जाएगा. और कैसे जाएगा वो टीचर आपको बताएगी. सो वी नो दिस ऑल सेट्स आर 40. ओके, ऑल सेट बिकम्स total number of 40 objects. Now let's add one more object in that. That is 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50 and 51. So these all are what? Total number of 51 objects. लेकिन ये हमने इजी किया काउंटिंग. कैसे किया? उनको सेट्स बनाकर या फिर उनका एक ब्लॉक बना के. स्टूडेंट्स, डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज इन दिस मेथड ऑफ लर्निंग द काउंटिंग. लेट्स टेक द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ दैट car. When teacher count car one by one and she made a group 10, that is 10 cars, so that becomes 10 ones. And when all the group, that is group, it becomes 110. So you need to remember this, that 10 ones is equal to 110. Don't forget this and don't get confused. Okay.